departmental trading and profit and loss account. So here we start with opening stock, that is 14,000 and 12,000. 14,000, that one of 12,000, total 26,000. After that we have purchase, debit the purchase. So purchase is, so in the previous class, in the working note we have deducted the sales return. The amount of purchase will become 74,000 and 69,000, and total how much it is? 1,43,000. 1,43,000. After purchase, the next adjustment they have given sales, credit it by sales, credit 1 lakh and department Y 80,000, total will become 1,80,000. After that purchase return we have already left in the working note. Next, salaries, general salaries, rent, advertisement, these expenses are comes in the profit and loss account. So in the first adjustment, goods transferred from department X to department Y 5,000 were not recorded. Goods transferred from department X to Y, it means X is a selling company and Y is a purchasing company. It means we have to adjust this adjustment as an interdepartmental transfer. So by interdepartmental transfer from X to Y, we have to credit X 5,000, vice versa, debit the expenses for Y, interdepartment transfer. So rupees 5,000 is to be debited. Rupees 5,000 is to be debited. So we have completed first adjustment. In case of second one, that is general salaries comes under the head of profit loss account, and the area occupied, which is also comes under in case of allocation of rent, insurance and accountancy charges, we have to open separate general profit loss account, and closing balance they are given. It means credit the closing stock by closing stock. By closing stock, the closing stock is 16,600 for X and Y 16,800. How much it is total? 33,400?
400,
okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, 33,400. So after entering of the trading adjustment, we must have to total the trading account. Total the credit side. 1,21,600, 96,800.
3,57,000.
3 lakh.
Sir, 2,18,400, sir.
2,18,400.
80,400, yes sir.
80 and 3, 18,000. 1,21,600, 96,800, 2,18,400. Okay. So identify how much of the gross profit we are getting. How much of gross profit that we are getting from 1,21,600. Make deduction of these two, that is 14,000 and 74,000.
33,600.
33,600. Once again, any adjustment that we have left? How much of the gross profit that we are getting?
33,600. 10,800.
33,600.
Yes, sir. 10,800.
10,800 total.
44,000.
44,400, sir.
Okay, 44,400. So by gross profit 33,600, 10,800, and total will become 44,400. Okay, we start with the profit and loss account adjustment. We have completed opening stock entry, purchase, sales, purchase return. Next, salaries. Salaries they have allocated 9,000 and 8,500. 9,000 and 8,500. Total will become, they have already totaled 17,500. Next, general salaries. Yesterday we have allocated 5,800 each.
Yes, sir.
11,600. After general salaries, next adjustment is rent and rates. Rent and rates also allocated. How much it is?
3,600 to
3,600 and 2,400. Is it right? Okay, 6,000. Next, advertisement. So advertisement we have allocated 4,500. Next, 3,600. 8,100. Next, insurance we have to treat separately. Two, carriage outwards. Yesterday we have allocated carriage outwards. How much it is?
3,000 to 2,400.
3,000 and 2,400. Total will become 5,400. Next, discount allowed. So discount allowed, how much it is?
1,800, sir.
1,000 for X and 800 for Y. Total will become 1,800. After discount allowed, let us credit side. Discount earned.
140
Already
and
which is
140. 140 sir, 690.
Sir, 740 sir. 740, 690.
740 and 690.
90.
Sir,
Total 1430. Okay, okay. Accountancy charges we have to treat separately. So here there is a one problem. We have ignored the carriage inward in case of trading account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. You may debit here also. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards. Yesterday we have allocated
1,450.
1480.
50 sir.
1480.
50 sir.
1308. ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 80ನೇ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, 50 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವ.
Sir,
1480 1. How much it is? 1480.
80.
80 sir.
1480. Next one.
1380. 1380.
Okay. Total. Okay. 2860.
Yes sir.
Okay. Total both sides. So total 34,340.
340 sir.
Okay, 34,340. Total debit side, debit the total side of department Y, because debit balance are more but credit balance are less.
24,880.
24,880. Okay.
$53,260.
45.
And ఇక్కడ debit side sir.
Debit side
53,260 sir.
260.
हाँ sir.
Okay.